Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 30A, in which we will take words with Hamza Sakina. What is Hamza Sakina? Hamza with sukoon is called Hamza Sakina. And Hamza Sakina occurs in different forms because Hamza, is a baby letter, small letter. So sometimes it is carried by alif or ya or waw. And in Indo-Pak prints, you don't write Hamza on top of alif, but in Arab world, you write Hamza on top of alif. So in any case, all of these are Hamzas. And all of them sound like all of them. Now, why are we having this lesson? Because most of the time, people don't give enough jerk. They just carry on. So let us see the examples and it will be clear. Hamza Sakina occurs in the Quran almost 1150 times, almost 2 times in every page of the Quran. So let us take the first case, Hamza, which is like alif with sukoon. That is Hamza Sakina. So how will you read it? Ya'muru, Ya'muru, Ya'ti, Ya'ti, Ta'khuduna, تأخذون يأكلون يأكلون. So the people, they make mistakes like saying يأمر يأتي. They suppress that. So you have to be very clear. يأمر يأتي تأخذون يأكلون and so on. And that's the reason we have this lesson. Now Hamza can occur on top of ya also, and that is Hamza. It is not ya, it is Hamza. So let's take examples. Bi'sa, Bi'sa. Don't say Bisa or Bi'sa. No, the Hamza should be clear. Bi'sa. Shi'ta, Shi'ta. So don't say Bi'sa, Bi'sa, Shi'ta. Hamza should be clear. Bi'sa, Shi'ta. Let's take the case with waw carrying Hamza. So it is Hamza, it is no more waw. Yu'minuna, يؤمنون مؤمنين مؤمنين. So don't say يؤمنون or مؤمنين. No. مؤمن. No. مؤمنين. يؤمنون. And so on. Just a note, whenever you have alif with haraka, it becomes Hamza. Whether you have haraka on the top like a is same as a, e is same as e, u is same as u, and Hamza on alif is also Hamza. That is with respect to Indo-Pak prints. Otherwise, in Arab world, you have Hamza on top of alif. In any case, just take this note. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.